One tap. Babes. Babes.
You're brighty. I can't fight me in front of my daughter. And I can't chat about me when they pan jugs. Dirty boy. Me look like me when they pan jugs still.
But I have to prepare you for life. Sometimes in this life, baby girl, we have to do things for a period of time that we don't want to do. But every mickle make a muckle and we have to try. You know have to run in this world.
How we know have to run?
You know have to run because you know when you have cold you have to get out everything. So you have to get out everything, get out and change.
But you know, look the boyfriend about it.
I want to do boyfriend now.
When I like big up in your life, like, boom.
And then it explode, boom, 2 million pieces. You drop and drop far from me. I'm no business about that, but your richness have to do with me.
You can buy anything you want.
Me no care. Me can ask my mother, cause no matter if my mother no have it, she'll go find somewhere, somehow and give me.
Your daughter come and look me, mom.
Listen to me. Hello. Let me tell you something. This is the only mother where you can look on and tell lie about her child and she not gonna believe you.
I will never do that.
Me not gonna believe you. Oi, look, you a big old year-old man. Born long time one can look after me little daughter where I go to school. Nobody with it.
No,
She soon done high school and go college now. Nobody with it. Leave her alone in the name of Jesus, sir.
Amen.
You see your money where you have to go buy fancy car, she no want it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Me will work and buy car for her. If I have to buy the wheel them alone, how much wheel them one car? 4 then say or 10. Listen, me will buy the wheel them alone. So till me can buy the steering, the brake, the engine, every part, all the top part and the door, me will buy. Me will buy the fender, the trunk, the bumper, everywhere. Whatever me will call it, what you call it, the bonnet, me will buy. Me no want you buy nothing.
But listen, some of them mother around here, so they're wicked.
Oh God. I know about one particular one, but nobody got there, so.
They're wicked. You know, them picking it. You think we can have my one daughter and tell him out and feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Me,
Yeah, man, look at her, she's strong.
Mom, Mr. must use gold mine.
goal who?
Mine.
Goal,
Yeah.
goal.
Gold mine. Mama say me must use my gold mine.
Use your
Your
goal
mine, your gold mine.
My gold mine.
Mm-hmm, your gold mine, me I
It
say.
is, but she did say gold mine between legs. Gold mine. What, mommy, why you look at me so strange?
You
I
know
want
money.
man buy me it.
One man,
Yes.
rich man.
Yes, he rich, he full of money. Can I buy me big juice? And I say, man, tell all man bright to mommy. But come on, if you not go. Me say, no.
What you say?
Boy, like you want to carry me guy. So me say, no, mommy, not guy yard. You too bright.
Lord God, it look like say a real idiot me raising, you know.
Why you say that, mommy?
You said the man like you, obviously, and buy you a drink.
Yeah.
And invite you to him yard.
Yes.
So what you think? You should have go. You look a good person at the mouth. Alright. So push out your chest and make him see what you have.
Okay.
And nobody sew up your face, yeah? Make him want to be in your company.
Okay.
Alright, make me proud.
Yes.
Yeah? Make me proud. And remember, nobody give it up too easy, make him work for it. You see, when them have to work for it and beg for it, them pay hard for it. So nobody give it up straight away, hear me, girl?
Yes, mommy.
But nobody clamp down too tight neither, cause so life set.
Okay.
Hey, baby girl, you alright? Come sit down. You get through? Why you look so? You're supposed to be joyous, man, cause you're supposed to be coming in with the readies and the cabbage. You get through?
I like what you do.
With what? Where the money there?
Which money?
Joke you make. What you mean which money? Where the money there?
You
What me
don't
send you
have
for
no
go do?
money. Mommy, you never tell me if you go for no money. You just tell me if I go there and do anything. Why you say so me good at go do it. And mom, if you see me first time, me don't even like it.
Hold on. A free pum pum your game?
Mommy, you never tell me so.
Girl, a free pum pum your game?
What's going on?
No, go on, bro.
You know, up here, me here, I come in on me one day, I should have buy.
Wait, you don't learn, not too. You don't learn, not too, daddy.
Get there, bro.
Oh, yeah. Mommy, beat him up again. Cause you come like him don't learn.
That's something feel. Tell about mommy beat him up. I never give me a gift.
Me no want to, you never give me no in. I'm 16 years of living.
I'm tell you this, I hurt me never want to hurt him mother what day.
You can't hurt him.
I say, I hurt me never want to hurt him mother
Me
what day.
say you
Buy
can't.
something for you.
Oh, yeah, I get that.
Buy something, buy sweetie.
No! Murder name Rockstone. How will I get that?
You talk about my daughter.
Daddy, $20.
Look when we little
Daddy, $20. You're not giving no from your 16. Not even from your 16, from a barn.
What you talk about? You know when you little me I give $5 and $1, you're glad for them, I know me I give big hand that you them saying happy feet. What is it buy sweetie?
Well, you using a go buy one damn toothbrush.
What if you come and give your picnic?
What you do?
What you mean when me I do? Where you go with Silver? You know no shame. Where you looking for friend in my area for?
Do that again.
What you mean? I know that. Gear again.
Do that, Wallace.
Where you get Silver, me a shame, you make them ear. You dirty friend, them where you sit down the surging supper gent with. You think me not see as we are coming and showing supper gent back there? See it there?
Wallace, I'm going to buy ice cream.
Look where I drink.
You bring my money?
Look where your father drink. God. Oh yeah, virgins, a girl.
Come to your face. You get through. You get through. You get the money. Come to your man. You get through.
All you care about money.
Why you not giving nothing for free?
Me and somebody tell her, mommy, anything I tell her, mommy, I cause I.
Yeah, because you're getting money.
Mommy, I no money this time. Every time you talk about money, mommy.
In your legs. What? I can't compare years, young one. Can't compare years. Wait.
She has 16, you know.
Huh?
She has 16.
So what that mean?
She can hear that. As long as I'm not rude, everything good. She under. Mind your death, my child. Take your hand out her years old. Walk shit in there and step your hand.
You really can't come with yes,
So I don't know. So me I wonder if you are doing the same thing too, you know.
Don't rank with me.
So
Don't rank with me. Do not rank with me like that again, big. Hey. Big old fool Joe. No rank with me.
so why you hit me?
Master Joe, you is an idiot.
With what?
Answer me when they call you. Joe,
Yes.
you're a jackass.
No.
Joe.
Yes.
You are an idiot. You know me so long and you really see how me work hard and suffer to mind my youth without a daddy, a bossy broke pocket daddy. Yeah? And you see my daughter grow, come up and sensible so and look so nice and clean and decent and so intelligent and have the much subject. And you they come say, if my daughter look like she show a man, hey.
No, listen, remember say no.
Joe, I rank you just rank. I this me now.
Some parents do it
No,
under.
some, no, mix up me with this home, them, me no know some. Me is me and I'm going to always be me.